At first light, the rainforest stirs beneath a veil of drifting mist. Sunbeams carve paths through the fog, revealing a world waking slowly.
Below the canopy, the creek becomes the forest's first mirror of the day. High in the canopy, early risers claim the first rays. With fluid motion, the gibbons dance through morning light.
Their voices ripple outward, announcing dawn to the forest.
Perched in stillness, the forest's hunter waits for rising air. And with the day's first lift, it rises, Lord of the morning sky. With a silent sweep, power unfurls into light. Small lives emerge, seeking the warmth that fuels their day. Awakened now, it prepares for a day ruled by speed. Light and measured, every movement echoes through the forest floor.
In stillness, it draws in the humid morning air, life in miniature.
Woven through the night, a fragile architecture greets the dawn.
The architect returns, checking each thread with delicate precision.
In perfect light, the web becomes a suspended constellation of dew.
As the sun rises high, the forest floor becomes a marketplace of hidden treasures.
With practiced precision, a forager unlocks the sweetness tucked within the forest's bounty.
Even at midday, curiosity and play turn every meal into a moment of mischief. Under the midday heat, giants seek relief along the river's edge. A cool embrace of water rolls across thick skin, easing the dale's warmth. Side by side, the herd shares a moment of calm in the flowing midday river. In shadowed undergrowth, the forest's apex predator begins its silent advance.
With unbroken focus, it reads every vibration of the living forest. Each step, measured, controlled, brings the hunter closer to opportunity.
Against the blazing midday sky, bursts of color shimmer among the branches.
Beak and claw work in harmony as the canopy's artisans open their midday meal.
A single movement sends color drifting across the upper world.
By midday, calmer creatures gather where shade meets water.
Through gentle grooming, bonds are reaffirmed in the quiet hours.
Even the shy ones ease into the cool embrace of the stream.
In a pocket of sunlight, delicate wings stir the air.
A brief pause, soft wings meet the stillness of the forest. As afternoon light warms the river, new visitors gather at the shimmering edge.
Drawn by thirst and opportunity, creatures converge for their turn at the water. Below the calm surface, a patient ruler moves unseen. Only its eyes betray its presence, watching the shore with ancient stillness. Among the reeds, it waits, Timing is everything for a creature of patience. As shadows lengthen, hornbills return to feast among the treetops. As shadows lengthen, hornbills return to feast among the treetops. With unmatched precision, powerful beaks break open the forest's toughest shells. With unmatched precision, powerful beaks break open the forest's toughest shells. On the forest's smallest highways, the work never stops.
Each ant carries a burden many times its size, yet their unity never wavers.
Every piece delivered helps sustain a vast and hidden empire below. Above the forest, a silent guardian surveys its vast domain.
With strength and precision, it claims its watchtower for the evening.
Every rustle, every shadow, nothing escapes the gaze of this apex sentinel.
In hidden hollows, the forest's nocturnal dwellers begin to stir.
Huge eyes adjust to the dimming world, ready for the coming darkness.
In the half-light, its gaze sharpens, built for the approaching dark. With barely a whisper, it melts into the last glow of the day.